Hi, welcome to MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia. We're on Lake Lanier today looking at a brand new 2020 unsinkable legend, the Montauk 15. As with all unsinkable Boston whalers, and they all are unsinkable, this boat comes with the finest hardware and equipment that you can get any boat of this size. Last year, Boston Whaler redesigned the Montauk series, the 13, 15, 17, and 19 hull to give it a vastly improved ride, but kept the legendary Boston Whaler look. These boats are perfect for bays and inlets for fishing in shallow waters. This boat is rated for 7 people. It is pre-wired up forward for a trolling motor. These cushions can be removed for a fishing deck. You've got an anchor well under that. Cooler here. 4 rod holders here. Backrest for the cooler. You have grab rails everywhere that you can sit on the boat and be safe and feel secure. If you notice, the seat at the helm is bi-directional, so it can be put in 3 different positions to face either aft, forward, or for straight up. Livewell is in the rear, right in the center where it's got good, easy access. It's nice and deep. Plenty of room for your bait or fish if you want to keep fish in there. Additional rod holders and cup holders back here. Notice the quality of the stainless steel cleats, stainless steel ladder. This is equipped with a Mercury 60 horsepower motor. Comes with a bucket even for cleaning and washing down the boat. The boat can be completely immersed in water and it'll just run out. A good large bimini for your shade protection. Casting deck up forward to get out of the way of your bimini. It is equipped with Raymarine navigation aid and GPS. Your gauges up forward on your for your bilge, your navigator, and your accessory is your Livewell. Nice center console storage. You have a tackle box storage on the starboard side of the console, and you have battery access for your starting batteries, for your light, and for trolling motor batteries if you set it up with a trolling motor. Also a battery switch, on-off switch. This boat is equipped with 2 batteries. The compass is standard as a light holder standard. 12-volt outlet here for your 12-volt toys. The mandatory kill switch, of course, should something happen and you fall off the helm for safety purposes. This is a great boat, as all whalers. It's a solid ride, performs exceptionally well, will last many years, and of course it's unsinkable. Thanks for visiting.